Hey, wait, you've been looking for that video that will teach you how to make braiding hair from basic to professional? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Ivy Hair Studio, and in this video I'll be teaching you the basic tools you need to start your braiding hair journey. To braid your hair like this, then this video is for you. If this is the first time you're seeing this video, don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we post any video, you would be notified. Don't forget to like this video, and also make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any details. So this is a video that is going to teach you the basic tools you need to start your braiding hair journey. Okay, let's go there. So you get this comb, yeah, you get this comb. Then this is the cutting comb. Yeah, I use this comb to cut the hair, to divide the hair. Then this is rat tail comb, and this is the comb. These are the simple combs that you need to get if you want to start your braiding journey. Yeah, so this is a brush. You use it to brush the attachment after removing it, so it is very important for you to have it. And this is the scissors. These scissors, we use it to trim, we use it to cut the attachment. And these are varieties of combs. Yeah, these are varieties of combs. Like you can also get the pack, so the varieties of combs. And also, yeah, it also has cotton comb in it. Then you need to get the bending rollers. Yeah, this is the bending rollers in case your client wants to do a coily hair. So you make use of this a bending roller. So you coil it this way, then you use hot water, then you remove it. So this bending roller is basically used for coiling. Then this is coiler. You can also make use of this coiler depending on the type of coils that you want, that your client wants. So this is coiler. Uh, in the video, I would show you how to use it later on in the video. So this is what it look like. Yeah, this is what it look like. This is what the comb look like. Yeah. So and also we have the edge control, airwash control. Yeah, we have the edge control. We have varieties of edge control though, but this is Capri. So you can also use this. You can use this to style the hair. Then this is the hair mousse. So after you've made the hair, yes, this product is very important. Hair mousse, and also the oil sheen. And you can also get this oil sheen, so it makes the hair to shine and last long. Yeah, so you can also get the oil sheen. Yeah, so these are the basic tools that you need as a beginner. These are the things that you need to get to start this braiding journey. Okay, guys, those are the tools you need to start your braiding hair journey. Don't forget to get those tools, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.